Question 18. We're given a recipe to make 8 shortbread biscuits, and we're told that Tariq is going to make some, and he has the following ingredients: 330 grams of butter, 200 grams of caster sugar, and 450 grams of flour. So what we're going to do is take each of these and divide by the amount that we need for our recipe. So for the first one, we've got 330 grams of butter. Okay, and we're going to divide that by what we're told in the recipe. Question 18. We're given an ingredients list or a recipe to make 8 shortbread biscuits. We're told that Tariq wants to make some of these shortbread biscuits and has the following ingredients: 330 grams of butter, 200 grams of caster sugar, and 450 grams of flour. We're asked the greatest number of shortbread biscuits that Tariq can make with those ingredients. What we're going to have to do is divide the ingredients he has by the ingredients that the recipe requires. That will tell us whether or not he can make more shortbread biscuits than the recipe gives, and if he can, how many lots of the recipe he can make. Is it 2 lots of that recipe, 3 lots of that recipe, and so on. Pause the video and have a go at that question now. Okay, so we're going to start with butter. Now, Tariq has 330, and in the recipe we need 120. Now that gives me an answer of 2.75. If we take the caster sugar, Tariq has 200, and in the recipe we need 60. If you work that out on your calculator, you get 3.3 recurring. Finally, if we take the flour, Tariq has 450 grams, and the recipe needs 180 grams. Again, work that out on your calculator, and this time we get 2.5. Now we can see that the flour in this case is our limiting factor. It's got the smallest number here, which means because he doesn't have any more flour, although he has enough caster sugar to make 3 batches, he doesn't have enough butter to make 3 batches, and he doesn't have enough flour to make 3 batches. So, the most we can have is 2.5 lots of that recipe. So we're going to take that 2.5 and times that by our 8 biscuits, because that's what the recipe is for. 2.5 times by 8 gives us 20 biscuits.